Hi luminaries, in this video we are going to make this quick and pretty woven necklace. Okay, what you'll need are your woven piece with the backing. There's a video for that. A string or any other necklace friendly material. I'm going to use cotton warp, but you could use leather, etc. Two 2-inch tubes. You could actually use beads as well. A needle. This needle should actually fit your string and should also be sharp enough to go through your woven piece. And scissors. All right, let's get started and clear our workspace. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one woven piece, and all you're going to do is you're going to thread your needle with your material that you are going to hang your necklace with. So in this case, like I said, we're using cotton warp. This is actually the same warp that I used to use as warp for the weaving piece. Okay, so you're going to just go from front to back, and then you're going to loop over and then sew from front to back. Not too tight, not too loose. And then you're going to do this twice. Okay. I would say work gently and slowly, never hurts to do that. Now turn it over and you're going to make a tight knot. You could actually dab glue on this a little bit later as well if you want to ensure that the knot doesn't come loose, but this should be totally fine. So here I'm making 3 ties all together. Then cut your end. And now you're just going to thread through the tube. So what I'm using here is actually a type of wheat tube. It's a natural material. But again, you could use beads or wooden tubes or wooden beads, etc., or glass beads, just making sure that the string is big enough to actually hold the material that you're going to use. Okay, so that's done on one side, and then I'm going to fast forward and repeat for the other. Super quick. I think this project is so beautiful and so easy to make. And you could do this with any weaving you have. Enjoy, guys.